Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Hello friends! Good morning! So katatapos ko lang nag-breakfast and I am making bread na guys for my family kasi isa na lang yung natira. I will show you. So ito na lang yung natira guys at saka gagawa din tayo ng chocolate chip cookies na gustong-gusto ng mga bata. Gumawa kami nung isang araw kaso nga lang that was so sweet. Tapos maliit lang kasi yung ginawa namin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lessen the sugar guys kasi yung yung recipe kasi 100 grams na white sugar and then 110 grams na brown sugar. So that was a lot of sugar. In just 160 I think grams na flour and then the chocolate also, so it's quite like, oh my, that's so sweet. Sabi ng mga bata, Mommy, it's too sweet. Sabi ng asawa ko, it's too sweet. And then tinikman ko din as in a really sweet guys. So ang gagawin ko ngayon is instead of 200 in total na sugar, ang gagawin ko na lang ay maybe 50 grams of white sugar and then 50 grams or 60 grams of brown sugar guys. Yun na lang ang gawin ko para malesen yung sweetness ng cookie kasi nga may chocolate chip pa siya. Chocolate chips pa siya. So, I think that makes sense, no? Alright, so hindi ko na guys ipapakita sa inyo how I'm going to make the bread. I'm not sure if I've shown you before how I make the parang croissant style siya guys. Pero parang Spanish siya. Kaso nga lang wala siyang breadcrumbs and also there is no filling. So just plain siya guys. Kasi yun kasi ang binabaon ng mga bata. I just cut into half and then I spread some tomatoes and then I put a little bit of salt and oil and ham guys. Yung salted ham or yung sweet ham, or I mean deli. I can put delis in it guys. So yun ang mga breakfast ng mga bata and also for snacks guys. Yun kasi ang mga snacks dito, fruits and sandwiches. Yun ang mga as in snacks dito guys. Bihira ka lang makakita dito ng snacks na mga junk foods, mga ganun. As in, wala. Kung may makita ka man guys na ganun, parang ang sama ng tingin ng mga ibang parents sa'yo. Kung ang ipakain mo sa anak mo na snacks ay yung, yung mga junk foods, sugary drinks, mga ganun. Wala guys, dito is just the fruit. Any kind of fruit. And then, yun yung snack nila. Or sandwich. Yun. Or yung sandwich na may spread siya na Nutella. Ganun. Ganun lang guys. Dito. So, once in a blue moon lang or maybe once a week, ganun lang nakakain ng mga bata ng junk. Tapos, konti lang din. Halimbawa, yung anong tawag nito? Yung Cheetos, guys, na sticks or yung parang balls. Ganun. Yun lang. Or sometimes, potatoes, chips, or crisp. Yun yung kinakain namin pag weekend. Maybe Saturday or Sunday. Basta once a week lang. Or minsan, wala din. As in, direkta na kami sa kain, guys. Kasi dito kasi pag weekend, especially sa Sunday, family day kasi dito, guys. So, nakikita-kita ang mga pamilya, mga friends. Basta ganun. Tapos, before yung main dish, may pika-pika kasi. So, you have beer, you have these crisp or chips, mga ganun, olives, mga ganun guys. So, and then the main dish guys, yung first plate, second plate, tapos dessert, and then coffee. So, yun kasi yung order ng kanilang food dito. So, kami naman, kung may occasion, talagang yun nga may pika-pika. Pero kung wala, once in a blue moon lang talaga. Sometimes nga sila ko maghanap siya, Mom, I want to eat something. Can I eat potatoes? Yung potatoes na chips or yung crisp. Guys, so yun. Okay, so yun naman ang bigay namin. Kung meron or kung nakabili ako that time. Yun din ang isa guys. Pag wala silang makita, hindi yan sila kakain, wala silang kakainin. So, kung ano ang meron sa bahay, yun ang kakainin nila. Like, yun nga, fruits. As you can see, we have lots of fruits on the table always, guys. And then, bread. Yes, bread talaga. Sandwich bread. So, they can eat salty or sweet. So yun guys, pinainit ko lang. Pinainit ko lang konti, lukewarm milk. Yung milk natin, lukewarm lang yung milk natin. Para ilagay na natin yung yeast. So I doubled the recipe. Para naman, hindi ako gagawa bukas. Parang every other day yata ako gumagawa guys. Kasi, minsan din kasi, ang asawa ko nagdadala siya ng sandwich sa work. Tapos, yun na yung parang pinaka-lunch niya. Hindi na siya nagla-lunch pag uwi niya. Yun na lang. Dinner na lang siya. So, kumukuha siya ng dalawa. One for breakfast doon and then one for lunch. So, bale dalawa. Tapos, ang nagagawa ko lang kasi, pag double yung recipe natin is just 16 pieces. So, ang mga anak ko naman, everyday sila kumakain. Si Hailey, dalawa din na sandwich ang ginagawa ko kasi nga, dalawa din, 2 times din yung breakfast niya guys. Kasi straight kasi yung pasok niya from 8 to 2:30. So, may dalawa siyang breaks. One for breakfast and then before lunch, parang ganun. Para naman hindi sila as in na gutom. Imagine as in na straight kasi yung klase nila guys. 20 minutes lang yung yung break time nila. So yun, let's continue. So ang ginagawa ko guys, I hand knead guys. I'm not using my bread machine this time. So ang ginagamit ko lang ay yung kamay ko. So medyo mainit or lukewarm yung ating milk. And I'm going to add the yeast guys. So I'm not going to show you all the process. Or maybe next time I'm going to show you guys kung hindi ko pa naipakita. I'm going to check my videos kung naipakita ko nga sa inyo o hindi. Kung hindi, I'm going to make the whole video how I'm going to make it. Okay, friends? So, let's continue. Hello friends, ito yung cookie dough natin. Inilagay ko sa freezer ng mga 20 minutes. And now we're going to shape it guys like a ball. And then ilagay natin sa ating baking sheet. And then we will bake it for 12 to 15 minutes. Our goat, Alpina, is grazing guys. She's grazing alone. Ano kasi guys, tumatalon siya. She's very athletic. I'm not sure if this will work, so let's try. Oh, matigas nga siya. Very good. Ano lang naman, friends. Ang ayaw ko kasi dito, as in hindi siya gumagana, friends. Look. I don't know. So, I'm going to use my hand. Oh dear, parang mahirap siyang tanggalin. So, yun ang ginawa ko, friends. Binawasan ko ng sugar. Bale, 110 yung total lahat. Yung sugar natin. Or 105, I think. 105 to 110 grams. Instead of 210, I put 110 only. I think I put 55 grams of white sugar and 55 grams of brown sugar. So, 6 siya, friends. Meron pang natira. Ano kasi, guys, lalaki pa kasi yan siya. So, may isa pa siguro. May isa pa na ano. Siguro malaki ito. Ayan na, friends. So, this baking paper, guys, this baking sheet, ginamit namin nung isang araw. So, hindi ko na pinalitan because it's still okay. So, let's bake this one, guys, into 12 to 15 minutes. And this one, let's put it here in the center and let's bake it too. Hello, friends. So, maupo muna ako saglit. So, 6 minutes left na lang, guys, and then maluluto na yung ating cookies. And while waiting, I want to prepare yung lunch ni Hailey because it's 1:11 na, guys, in the afternoon. And we have fried chicken. I cooked fried chicken yesterday. We also have a sinigang na baboy. We have rice. Ang kinain ko lang kagabi, guys, is yung sinigang na baboy, and that's it. Wala na akong kinain na iba pa. So, I'm going to fry the rice, guys. I'm going to make fried rice for lunch. And yun nga, depende kung ano ang gusto ni Helena kainin. And I think that's it. Yeah, fried rice. And also, I can cook omelette. Potato omelette kung gusto niya. But, no need kasi I let them finish the fried chicken first bago ako magluto ulit ng kung ano-ano. Or maybe I'm going to cook. I don't know, guys. I can't decide yet. Maybe that will be for tonight's dinner. So, kung ano man yung matira, yun na yung dinner nila, guys. Kasi sa akin naman, kung may avocado lang ako, cucumber, and a bag of salad, okay na sa akin, guys. Then, kumain na ako ng 2 eggs kaninang umaga. Yun lang kasi, guys, ang kinakain ko. Every morning, 2 eggs with some vegetables. Omelette siya, guys. And then, 1 avocado. And also, sometimes, half cucumber. Ganun ang kinakain ko, guys. Yun lang ang breakfast ko. And then, for lunch, yun nga, kung may karne, yun ang kainin ko. May karne. Ano nga ba ang dinner ko? Pero I prefer to drink something hot or something warm at night. Para yung tiyan ko is as in kalma lang siya. Yeah, so, hindi ko alam kung anong uulamin ko, friends. For tonight's dinner. So, let's see. I'm going to find, guys, in the freezer or in the fridge. Ano kaya? Or salad. Salad. Gusto ko mag-salad sa gabi. Pero dapat may ako, friends. May soup. So, but I'm going to eat that for lunch. Kung may matira siguro sa lunch, kasi nuluto ko pa yun kagabi, yung sinigang na baboy. Yeah. Kung may matira ako, kasi marami kasi yun, guys. Yun na lang ang ulamin ko. Unless, if my husband wants to eat too. So, I will try to find a way, guys, na makakain or makahigop ako ng sabaw. So, ayun, luto na, guys. Nag-beep na. I will show you. Alright, friends. So, ito na ang ating chips. Siguro, chips. Ito na ang ating cookie. So, siguro mga 12 minutes. 15 kasi ang nilagay ko, guys. Para maging ganito lighter sana siya. Para siyang, brown kasi. But, I know this will be so delicious. So, let's, let it cool. Kasi very soft siya, guys. Very soft, as you can see. So, let it cool. And then, we will transfer into our here. Into our, how do you call this, friends? I don't know. Lagayan ng cakes. Lagayan ng cake, cookies, and... Pero minsan, kung wala akong cookies or cupcakes na ilagay, yung bread. Ito pala yung bread, guys, na ginagawa ko. So, yan na lang ang natira. And Wednesday ngayon. So, may pasok pa si hubby at saka mga bata. So, ayun, kaya gumawa ako. Bukas kasi Thursday, pupunta yung, guys, yung neighbor namin na field. They're going to spray herbicide. So, I don't want to stay at home tomorrow. Yeah, kahit na nakasarado yung bintana, yung pintuan. Kaso nga lang, ayaw ko mag-stay. And also, Thursday, Mercadillo Day, we have flea market. So, Sarah and I are going to the market. At doon kami friends, magkita. And also, every Thursday kasi, pumupunta ako doon kasi yung isang vendor, binibigyan niya ako ng rest ng vegetables, guys. So, yun naman ang pinapakain namin sa aming mga animals. Yes! Yes, sa mga manok or sa mga kambing. Konti lang naman, mga 2 boxes of just leaves or mga tangkay ng broccolis, cauliflower, mga ganun, mga dahon at saka tangkay, yun lang yung, or sometimes dahon ng lettuce, mga ganun, guys, yun yung binibigay ng mama. Kinausap ko kasi sila. Sabi ko, every Thursday, kung pwede kong kunin yung rest nila na mga dahon-dahon. So, sabi niya, okay. So, every Thursday, ako pumupunta at saka 2 boxes naman yung binibigay sa akin. So, at least our chickens have vegetables once a week. Yeah, so I'm very happy. So, yun nga, doon na ako kasi 9 to 11 yata or 9 to 1 hanggang 9 to 1 yata pupunta yung mga mag-spray. So, syempre, herbicide yun. As in dangerous, guys. Toxic. So, yung mga animals namin, dapat ikulong din sila sa kanilang corral. Tapos, yung mga tubig, dapat wala silang tubig. Kasi nga, yung hangin, baka mapunta doon sa At saka, ayaw kong ilagay yung sasakyan kasi sa labas, friends. Kasi kung hawakan ko, if I want to open the car, syempre, may spray mapupunta talaga doon. Kahit na medyo... Siguro, not totally malayo naman kasi nga, may bakod. Yung bakod lang namin is, anong tawag nito? Wires, guys. So, makakapunta pa rin kahit na splash or sprinkle or mist ng as in na magkakalat siya dito sa garden. Yun ang ayaw ko. So, yun nga, mag-stay ako sa labas hanggang 1 siguro. Kaya I'm trying to bake bread now. Kasi nga, isa na lang din yung bread namin. And then, yeah, I'm going also to cook food for tomorrow. But, I'm not sure what I'm going to cook. Or maybe I'm going to buy chicken. Yeah. Okay, so yun guys, yung roasted chicken, yun nga. Alright guys, so nakita nyo naman na ang ganda, guys. Hailey will be very happy with the outcome of the cookie. Mas maganda talaga pag ilagay sa sa freezer first, mga 20 to half an hour before baking. Kasi maganda yung outcome niya, friends. Okay, so i-ready ko na, friends, yung fried rice ni Hailey. bago ko siya sunduin. Ito na guys, yung fried rice. So, Hailey is now eating. We just came back from school. So, kain na tayo, friends. Ito naman yung sa akin, guys. I am just heating it. Naglagay pala ako ng bok choy. May cabbage na siya. Pero naglagay din ako ng bok choy para mas masarap. Okay, friends. So, luto na yung bok choy natin. At I added also sinigang, guys. Hello, friends. So, hapon na. Mga 5:30 na ng hapon. So, ang asawa ko, sinundo niya si Hailey kasi matatapos siya ng 5:15. May volleyball class siya. And, sila Kuta nandito siya sa bahay. Kasama ko siya. And, she's having snack. She's eating, guys, yung, natin, yung cookie na ginawa natin. Hi! So, ayan. 3 na lang ang natira, friends. Ayan. And, also, I am fermenting our bread. So, konti na lang. And then, we will bake this one, guys. And then, ipakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung bread natin. Hello, friends. So, I forgot to show you. Inilagay ko na yung ating bread sa oven. And now, it's baking. We have 14 minutes left, guys. And then, luto na siya. And then, after that, we will go out. We are going to the garden because the weather is so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. And my husband is going to let the animals, goats and sheep to graze. Because as I've said that tomorrow they cannot go out because our neighbor is going to spray herbicide, guys. So, malawak kasi guys yung sa kanila. Ewan ko kung ilan. 2 hectares yata. Tapos, as in kasi na magkapit-bahay kami. Magkapit-bahay. Na talagang magkadikit yung lupa namin. So, ayun. So, Everest is outside too. And she's going to help my husband pasture the animals, guys. Hello, friends! So, nandito na ang ating hotdog buns. So, ito lang yung binabaon ng mga bata at saka ng asawa ko. Para siyang krusan na malaki, kaso nga lang, yung shape niya is iba. Or, para siyang guys, Spanish bread. Pero mas malaki kasi hindi ko siya tinimbang. Where is my husband? Heavy. So Everest is Pyrenean Mastiff. And look at this beautiful tree. This is apricot tree, guys, and so beautiful. Has lots of very beautiful flowers and dami. Oh, they started to bloom. They started to bloom, and some of them they opened and some not yet. So this is our apricot tree, friends. I hope we have a lot of apricot this year because 2 years ago na wala tayong na-harvest, friends, kasi nga na-frozen sila. Tapos, ito naman yung almond tree natin.